the life is. All hail to the parents as we give them our warmest applause. At this juncture, let me give to you.
Hello. Hi. You look so beautiful and handsome. Mga gwapa o mga gwapo ang tanan. Nya labi na ni mga gagmay behave kaayo. Hangtod yun ni mahuman ba? Kay di marugan yun ni Ma'am Sarah Jane. Magparog yun na siya hangtod mahuman. As the school principal of Sirao Integrated and 19 girls who have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for kindergarten curriculum for school year 2023-2024. Likewise, I would like to present the 49 candidates for junior high school completion, where there are 25 boys and 24 girls who have completion this 30th day of May 2024 with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. They are now eligible for admission to the next level of education in any public and private institution in the Republic of the Philippines. Congratulations, Batch 2023-2024.
Ardiente Charles. Ardiente Ivan Matthew. Ardonia Angel Jared. Bihag Lance. Ardonia Angel Jared. Bihag Lance. Bong Hanoy Neil Kaiser. Achiever. Boltuyan John Michael. Cabalida Josh Martin. Achiever. Caponilas Bryson. Kadampo Joseph. Hane and Agustin. Achiever. Cosido AC. Achiever. Intera Shandi. Gabisay Argon.